So we can define green building as a building that refers to a practice of designing, constructing, and operating a building and in an environmentally responsible and resource efficient manner. Yeah. So it involves using sustainable materials, reducing waste, and minimizing energy consumption to create a healthier and more sustainable living and working environment. So in this video, we are going to explore the key aspect of a green building, rating, and a grading system in Malaysia, especially the Green Building Index, GBI, in Malaysia, and also the Malaysian carbon reduction and environmental sustainable tool, or MyCREST. Malaysia has recognized the need for sustainable development in response to environmental challenges and increasing demand for energy efficient and eco-friendly building. Yeah. So the Malaysian government and various industry stakeholders are actively promoting green building practices to ensure long-term sustainability and environmental conservation. So the primary objective of a green building certification in Malaysia, the first one is to reduce the environmental impact of building, and next is to enhance the energy efficiency and water conservation, and also we want to improve indoor environmental quality for occupant. Also, we want to encourage the use of sustainable materials and resources. And also at the same time, we want to promote innovative design and construction practices that lead to sustainable development. Now we're going to talk about the key organization involved in green building certification. Yeah, there are several organizations in Malaysia that are important in driving the green building agenda by developing and implementing rating and grading system. And these organizations include the Green Building Index, GBI, and also we have CIDB, Construction Industry Development, and also we have a Malaysian Green Technology and Climate Change Center, MGTC. Yeah. So the first one, among the key organizations that we have that play an important role in green building certification is Green Building Index, established by Malaysian Institute of Architects and the Association of Consulting Engineers Malaysia, that provide a comprehensive framework for assessing the environmental performance of a building. And we also have CIDB that plays a crucial role in promoting sustainable construction practices through various initiatives, including the development of MyCREST. And then we have a Malaysian Green Technology and Climate Change Center that supports green technologies and sustainable practices in various sectors, including the construction industry. Right, so let's talk a bit about the Green Building Index. Yeah, so the Green Building Index, or GBI, is Malaysia's premier green rating tool for building, established to promote sustainable development and environmental consciousness in the construction industry. It was launched in 2009 by Malaysian Institute of Architects and the Association of Consulting Engineers, Malaysia. And the aim of a Green Building Index is to provide a comprehensive framework for assessing and improving the environmental performance building. Yeah. So in this chapter, we're going to discuss some of the key criteria for GBI certification in terms of energy efficiency, indoor environmental quality, sustainable site planning and management, material and resources, water efficiency, and also in terms of innovation. And also we're going to discuss some of the benefits of GBI certification. Achieving GBI certification offers a lot of advantages, including environmental benefits like reduced carbon footprint and conservation of resources, economic benefits such as a lower operating costs and increased property value, social benefits like improved occupant health and productivity, and also market recognition that enhance building marketability that attracts environmentally conscious tenant and investor. The Green Building Index evaluates building based on 6 key criteria, each contributing to the overall sustainability and efficiency of the building. The first one is in terms of energy efficiency. So GBI measures a step to reduce energy consumption, including the use of energy efficient appliances, renewable energy sources, and effective insulation. And also in terms of indoor environmental quality, Green Building Index makes sure that a healthy indoor environment through proper ventilation, air quality control, and the use of a low emission material. And also in terms of sustainable site planning and management, a Green Building Index Malaysia propose a strategy to minimize environmental impact during selection, development, and construction, including stormwater management and preservation of natural habitat. And also in terms of materials and resources, it encourages the use of sustainable, recycled, and locally sourced material, thus promotes waste reduction through efficient construction practices. And also in terms of water efficiency, Green Building Index help to implement water-saving technologies and practices to reduce water consumption and promote water reuse and recycling. And also, GBI help to recognize innovative design, technologies, and practices that contribute to the overall sustainability of a building. Like what I have mentioned just now, the Green Building Index GBI certification system categorize building based on their overall environmental performance. Building awarded points across various criteria, and the total point determine the certification level. So in this slide, we can see the rating system of a Green Building Index. So GBI offers a 4 certification level. We have certified. We have a certified silver, gold, platinum, with each different level, reflecting increasing sustainability commitment. Yeah. So each certification level is achieved by accumulating certain points based on the building performance in the six key criteria of green building index that are energy efficiency, indoor environmental quality, sustainable site planning and management, materials and resources, water efficiency and innovation. And points are awarded for various measures and strategies that are implemented to enhance the building sustainability. The higher certification level in a green building index, the more benefits it will provide, especially in terms of enhanced environmental impact, greater reduction in energy and water usage, lower greenhouse gas emission, and better resource management. It also give benefits in terms of increased economic value, as it will provide higher property values, potential for increased rental income, and eligibility for government incentive or grants. And also in terms of improved occupant satisfaction, it will help to provide a healthier indoor environment, increase productivity, and overall better quality of life for occupant. All right, so now we move on to Malaysian carbon reduction and environmental sustainable tool, or MyCREST. So the Malaysian carbon reduction and environmental sustainable tool, or MyCREST, is a green building rating system developed by the Construction Industry Development Board, Malaysia. So it aims to reduce carbon emission and promote environmental sustainability throughout the building life cycle, from design and construction to operation and maintenance. We take a look on the objective of Malaysian carbon reduction and environmental sustainable tool, MyCREST certification. The first one is to reduce a carbon footprint. Yeah, so by implementing strategies to minimize carbon emission in building project. Yeah, and secondly is to promote sustainable construction practices. This certification encourage the adoption of eco-friendly materials and efficient construction technique. Yeah? And also, this certification aims to enhance environmental performance by improving the overall sustainability of a building by focusing on energy efficiency, water conservation, and waste management. And also, this certification aims to raise awareness and knowledge by increase industry awareness about the importance of sustainable practices, and provide guidance on achieving sustainability goal. MyCREST evaluate a building based on several key criteria and assessment area, which contribute to the overall sustainability and a carbon reduction goal. The first one is carbon reduction. So in this key criteria, it measures to decrease carbon emission through energy efficient design, renewable energy integration, and low carbon technology. And the second one is sustainable construction. It's through the use of sustainable material, waste reduction practices, and environmentally friendly construction method. And the third one is environmental sustainability, and it involves strategies to enhance biodiversity, manage water resources, and reduce the building environmental impact. MyCREST assess building in three main phases to ensure comprehensive evaluation and continuous improvement. The first one is design phase, where evaluation of design, strategies, and planning is performed to ensure sustainable and low carbon outcome. And the second one is during construction phase, monitoring and assessment of construction practices is carried out to ensure adherence to sustainability goal. And the last one is during operation and maintenance phase, where ongoing evaluation of building performance to make sure that it meets sustainability targets over its operational life. Now let's take a look at the MyCREST rating level. Yeah. So the Malaysian Carbon Reduction and Environmental Sustainable Tool categorize building based on their performance in reducing carbon emission and achieving sustainability goals. The rating system award point based on various criteria leading to a different certification level. As we can see the table here, we can see the definition for each level, the score range, and the description for bronze, silver, gold, and platinum level. Yeah. So we can see that each certification level is determined by total point accumulated based on the building performance in key criteria such as carbon reduction, sustainable construction, and environmental sustainability. Points are awarded for various measures and strategies implemented to meet the MyCREST goal. Now let's take a look at the benefits of a higher certification level of MyCREST rating. The first one is in terms of enhanced environmental impact. It helped to reduce carbon emission, improve energy and water efficiency, and enhance resource management. Second one is in terms of increased economic value. It helped to boost property values, rental income, and eligibility for a government incentive. Yeah. And the third one is improve occupant satisfaction. It helps to create a healthier indoor environment and improve occupants' quality of life and productivity. And also in terms of market recognition, it help to increase marketability and attract environmentally conscious tenants and investors.